Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful, stunning and flawless Barbie hairstyles. These are beautiful pink hairstyles that you can rock as a lady and look sweet. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle compilation. Are you a lover of pink hairstyles? Let me know that also in the comment section down below. If you enjoy watching this video, do want to like this video and share it with others so they get to see this amazing hairstyles collection. And if you are new here, today is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. What I do here is to get you updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see beautiful hairstyles collection on the channel. I'm sure you want to see more videos like this. Do well to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I will see you all in another beautiful, exciting and interesting episode on the channel. Remember to always stay glued to this channel for more beautiful styles are coming your way. Do have a lovely day and stay safe out there. Bye.